Morning, everyone. It is 3rd of March. I just wanted to give a quick update on the FTSE and a new trade. If, like me, you were doing the long calls, you're probably kicking yourself if you closed it at the same time I did. So I closed it when it was about 73.25 a couple of days ago, and it's got all the way up to nearly 7,400. But that's the way it goes sometimes. I was kicking myself a bit, but sometimes these things happen. It was still a decent trade. But if you're doing the same thing, hopefully you let it run a bit more and got out at an even more advantageous point than I did. So we had this big move. We made fresh record highs. And I've just sold some calls, actually. I've sold some June 7,600 FTSE calls. I got 74p for them, so 740 quid per contract. Sold 3 lots. It may, the market may go higher. In fact, it probably will go higher in the shorter term. That doesn't bother me too much. My reasonings are, just the way the moves. It's spent very little time. There's been very little price action in the top part of the market, especially in the American markets. The Dow spent virtually no time in the 20,000s, and I'm certain there's going to be a retracement at some point. So if this trade goes against me in the shorter term, I'm not too fussed. There's a lot of big, important geopolitical events coming up. Netherlands, France. We don't quite know what Trump's going to do. He didn't really firm up exactly all his infrastructure spending and his tax cuts and things like that. And just the general fact that I think we're a touch overdone. So yeah, if you are doing this trade, if you're worried about it going higher, please by all means buy some higher strike calls as a hedge. I'm just going to sit there with the position as it is. As I say, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get an opportunity before the end of June to buy these things back at a profit. If not, if for some reason it does go against me, I'll just roll them up as well. I've got no shorts on at the moment until today, all longs. So I think it's about time to get on the other side of the market a little bit and sell a bit of premium, get some money in. So yeah, so 7,600 June calls short on the FTSE, we'll 74p the premium, and we'll see how those goes later today. So not too much on today. It's non-farms next week for some reason. So we'll see if we'll take a bit of a breather. And we'll see how those trades go. Cheers.